If I try to create a virtual environment in Python using this command, I get this error that says a workspace is required when creating an environment using venv. So to fix this error, we just need to open a project folder in which we want to create our virtual environment. So let's say we want to create a new project folder. If you want, you can open an existing project. So I'll just go open folder, go to my desktop, create a new folder here. I'll just call it test project. Click on select folder and open this folder in my Visual Studio Code. And now if I press Ctrl Shift P to open command palette and run this command python create environment, and I want to create environment using venv, so I'll choose venv, not conda, and Python version I want to use is Python 3.12. And this time, as you can see, creating virtual environment shows up and your virtual environment is created and that error is gone. So this is how you can fix a workspace is required error. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.